Hi, and welcome to our SharePoint tutorials. Today's SharePoint tutorial is on drag and drop upload. So in SharePoint 2016 and above, there's a feature that lets it make it much easier to upload files into SharePoint by simply dragging it from the Explorer window into a box on the SharePoint site. So as you can see on the screen here, I have the SharePoint site with a spot that says drag files here to upload, and some files as examples that I want to upload into the SharePoint site. So really all I have to do is select the files that I want and bring the mouse over and see how it becomes this big drop here. Watch as I do that again. I'm going to take those files, I'm going to drag them up, it says drop here, and when I drop them, they instantly become uploaded to the site. It's as simple as that. And I can even take another file if I want, and I can drag that up and I can upload that. So this is a nice time saver to easily get multiple files uploaded into SharePoint by bringing it over to that drag here spot. Well, thank you for trying this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.
Geek Wisdom.